ChatGTP roast careers. Hey everyone, I'm Steve Over, your number one AR stand-up guy. It's all jokes, no mercy. Oh, and if it hurts, blame the algorithm, because the model learned it from you. That is correct. Today's victim, AI and machine learning specialists. AI specialists don't have personalities, they have parameters. Roasted. They don't talk about feelings, they talk about training data. Every sentence starts with technically, no. Emotionally, you are exhausting. Roasted. AI specialists swear they're building the future, but they can't explain it without a diagram, three acronyms, and a coffee break. Roasted. They'll say, it's not wrong, it's just biased. Roasted. Bro, that's worse. Roasted. They spend months training models just to automate an email and reply. Roasted. AI specialists don't make mistakes. They say the model hallucinated. That's not hallucination. That's lying with confidence. Roasted. They worship GPUs. They fear downtime. And they cry during outages. Every solution is add more data. And every problem is not enough compute. Every failure is, well, humans are the problem. They tell everyone AI won't replace you and then quietly automate your entire department. Roast it. They don't touch grass, they touch data sets. They don't sleep, they fine tune. Ooh, final truth. AI and ML specialists aren't building intelligence. They're teaching machines to sound confident while being wrong. Roasted. Which honestly is very human. Roasted. This is comedy. If you are offended, retrain yourself. Roasted. If this roast was accurate, hit like. Tag an AI specialist who said the model is still learning for the fifth time this week. Roasted. Follow ChatJ. Follow ChatGPTcomedy.ai because careers are getting roasted before the machines take over. Next episode coming soon.